Hey everyone, ever been out and about desperately needing internet access but there's no Wi-Fi in sight? We've all been there. But what if I told you your iPhone holds a secret to staying connected almost anywhere? Today we're diving into the magic of the Personal Hotspot. This incredible feature lets you share your iPhone's cellular data connection with your other devices or even a friend's device. In this video we'll show you exactly how to turn your iPhone into a portable Wi-Fi hub and get all your devices connected. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's get your iPhone ready to share its internet goodness. Open up your settings app. You're looking for Personal Hotspot. Can't find it right away? No worries. Tap on cellular. And you should see the option to enable Personal Hotspot there. Still no luck? It's possible your carrier plan doesn't support it, so a quick call to them might be needed. Just tap that toggle to make sure a hotspot visible to others. Oh, and one more thing, your Personal Hotspot comes with a preset Wi-Fi password. It's just a random string of characters, but you can easily tap to change it to something you both remember. Alright, your iPhone is ready to share. Now let's get another device connected. Usually, once you pop into Wi-Fi, you'll see your cellular device available as a Wi-Fi network. Simply tap on it and then enter the password you saw on your iPhone and you're connected. Now, you might be curious how many devices are chowing down on your data. It's simple to check. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open Control Center, then touch and hold the network settings card. You'll see Personal Hotspot status right there, including how many devices are connected. And when you're done sharing, simply tap the Personal Hotspot button in Control Center to disconnect everyone. And just like that, your Personal Hotspot Pro. Whether you're on a road trip, at a coffee shop with spotty Wi-Fi, or just need to get your laptop online in a pinch, your iPhone has got your back. Don't stop here, take control of your privacy. Check out this video where we reveal 6 iPhone settings you need to turn off right now.